With the rise of remote work options and flexible schedules, landing your dream job could be just a click away. Today, I'm here to share the top 5 platforms that simplify the process of finding customer support jobs. Let's explore these opportunities together. Company number 1, Live Ops. The first platform I'd like to discuss is Live Ops, which hires independent contractors to deliver customer service and support to a variety of clients. They collaborate with well-known companies and are recognized for offering flexible work schedules. LiveOps has garnered positive reviews on Indeed for its supportive work environment and dependable payment system. One reviewer noted that it's an excellent option for those seeking remote work and prefer working on their phones. Additionally, a contractor shared on Reddit about the company's legitimacy and the potential earnings from home. If you have a customer service background and a home office setup, you're well positioned to apply. The application process involves a background check and a skills assessment, which you should prepare for to be eligible for a position with LiveOps. According to Indeed, salaries typically range from $15 to $19 per hour, depending on the client and your working hours. Company number 2, Sykes. The second platform I want to discuss today offers outsourced customer support services and is consistently hiring remote customer service representatives. This company is Sykes. Reviews on Indeed frequently praise them for their professional work environment and supportive management. One employee noted that the management is easy to communicate with and highlighted the team-oriented atmosphere, along with the work-from-home option that helps maintain a good work-life balance. They also mentioned the great benefits and described it as a fun place to work, even in a virtual setting. Sykes is always on the lookout for individuals with strong communication skills and a reliable internet connection. If you fit this description, you're in a good position to apply. The application process includes an online assessment and an interview, but you should be able to navigate it easily, especially if you have previous experience in customer support. Company number 3, Concentrics. Number 3 is a global business services company that provides customer engagement solutions and frequently hires customer support agents. This company is Concentrics, recognized for its diverse and inclusive environment. They have received numerous positive reviews, highlighting their supportive culture and opportunities for career growth. If you possess strong communication skills, have a home office setup, and a reliable internet connection, you are encouraged to apply. The application process consists of multiple interviews and several assessments. If you're familiar with this process, don't hesitate to submit your application. The hourly pay typically ranges from $15 to $20. Company number 4, Allor. Next on our list is a platform that offers customer experience and call center outsourcing solutions. They employ customer support representatives for both remote and on-site roles. This company, known as Allor, consistently receives positive reviews on Trustpilot, often commended for its supportive management and flexible work options. For instance, one employee remarked on how great the company is, stating that they are responsive to any issues that arise by connecting you with the appropriate department. If you're interested in pursuing a position here, this could be a viable option to consider. To apply, you'll need at least a high school diploma or its equivalent, along with strong communication skills, as you'll be engaging with customers over the phone for most of the day. The application process involves an online assessment and an interview, which is typical. Regarding compensation, research indicates that starting pay is around $15 an hour, with opportunities for increases over time. Additionally, you can expect benefits such as employee discounts, monthly bonuses, and health insurance, making it an attractive opportunity overall. Company number 5, TTKey. Next on our list is a company that focuses on customer experience outsourcing, hiring customer support representatives for both remote and in-office positions. This company receives high praise on Trustpilot for its comprehensive training programs and supportive work culture. One employee noted that the management team, especially Tom and Tony, has been incredibly influential and genuinely caring. They truly go above and beyond, making it a fantastic workplace. Out of nearly 3,000 employee reviews on Comparably, 84% are positive, so you can check their profile to see the feedback from other employees about the company. If you choose to apply, the positions they usually offer require individuals with strong communication skills and a reliable internet connection, similar to other companies. The application process consists of several interviews and assessments, with pay ranging from $15 to $17 per hour, plus bonuses and employee discounts. But that's not all. I have 2 bonus companies that I will recommend to you. Company number 6, Mod Squad. Next on our list is a company that specializes in outsourced digital engagement, encompassing customer support and content moderation. They consistently receive praise for their flexibility and supportive work environment, along with exceptionally positive feedback. What stands out about them is their commitment to creating an amazing experience for their employees, making everyone feel like they're part of something larger. If you visit their website, you'll find that Mod Squad describes its employees in a way that makes you eager to be part of the team. It's like hanging out with the cool kids. They offer pay of around $18 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project and the specific company you will be supporting. Company number 7, Outplex. Last but not least is a company that also offers customer support services, focusing on technology and automation. If you're interested in exploring this direction, consider starting your journey here. This company is called Outplex, and it has received very positive reviews on Glassdoor. The application process involves submitting your resume, an initial screening, and a skills assessment. They typically pay around $15 per hour. Be sure to check whether they have open positions in your country. From what I've seen, they do have openings in several countries in South America and the United States for on-site work, as well as remote positions. So go ahead, explore their opportunities, and see if there's a fit for you. If you're on the job market, it can be exciting but challenging to find the right opportunity. So in this video, you learned 5+2 platforms that can simplify your search for customer support jobs. These are LiveOps, Sykes, Concentrics, Allor, TTKey, Mod Squad, and Outplex. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these customer support platforms insightful and that they inspire you to take the next step in your job search. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these platforms do you find most appealing, and what aspects of it stand out to you? Is it the flexible work schedule, the supportive environment, or perhaps the pay? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really looking forward to reading your responses and having a conversation with you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Profitability Plus. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on more valuable content that can help you navigate the job market and enhance your career prospects. Until next time, keep striving for success, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks again for being part of our community.